In this video, I'm going to teach you the best price action pattern strategy by which you can easily make profits by scalping and by doing intra trading. And you can use this strategy into the forex, gold, stock market, and where you want to use that is supported on trading view like crypto. You can definitely use this strategy for sure. This strategy is going to be super profitable and it's quite easy. So just make sure that you watch the full video. So before I start this video, I am a price action coach and I take the coaching sessions of the students who are willing to learn the market to trade without indicators. So you can book your 1 hour coaching session with me, and if you are willing to book your coaching session with me, then please find the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below. Moreover guys, if you are willing to join the best broker that I personally use, and it offers you variety of trading accounts as you can see on the screen, so you can join this broker by finding the link in the description of this video. Now let's move towards our strategy. The strategy is very accurate and simple. You need to write price action, okay, and you need to write price action doji. Okay, so when you will write price action doji on trading view, then this indicator will come price action doji harami v 0.2 by just uncle, and you can see the name of the author is also written just uncle, and 3064 traders are using this indicator strategy. So if I attach this strategy on my screen, so basically it provides us with some bullish and bearish candle structures, like bullish harami is a bullish structure and bearish harami is the bearish structure of the market, so from where the sellers can come into the market. So basically this indicator will work on analyzing your candles pattern, but do not consider this indicator as a buy and sell indicator, because this is just for understanding the candles behavior. That's why we need a supporting indicator. So if you write support and resistance V0 on trading view, okay, version 0 by Ricardo Santos, then we need to add this indicator for the second confirmation of our trades, because we will be going to trade from some specific levels. So I again repeat, support and resistance V0 by Ricardo Santos, 14,561 traders are using it. That's why its number is big, because I have also personally used this indicator, and this indicator is really exceptional because this indicator plots support and resistance levels on your screen, right? Okay, so first of all guys, I'm going to talk about that what is the support level and what is the resistance level. So the brown color is the resistance level of the market, and the green color shown in this rectangle is the support level of the market. So always while using any indicator, always find out the main trend, that what's going. So for example, if I talk about this trend, you can completely see that we are into the downward trend. Okay, now guys, it's always important that you need to be very careful and trade with the trend. That will be more good. Okay, so for example, if I switch my chart to another pair like Euro JPY, so if I put the arrow here, then you can see simply if I make the trend line, this is the complete downward pattern. So in that pattern, always try your best to keep on selling instead of buying. That's my personal advice to my all students, including you as well, those who are watching that video. So you will see that when you will be trading with the trend, then you will be more comfortable. So for example, the doji bearish doji appeared here, it's fine. The support level comes, but you cannot see any bullish pattern, bullish harami or bullish doji from this here. So you ignore that one, because you can simply see that the market is dragging into the downward direction. Now it has made some correction. The market has made some correction. That's your entry zone. That is your entry zone where the support and resistance indicator will plot a resistance area, and you get a candle that will be noted with a bearish harami, and now you can see that how much profit you can easily make. Okay, now again the same thing, that even that this was the support area, but definitely when you are into the downtrend, then you must expect that the support area can be on a weaker side, and that's why this candle broke the support. So that's why I say use the indicators but with the proper care. Do not use them with without any confirmations. Okay, so for example, right now this is the bearish harami, but this was not the resistance area. The resistance area is coming here. Okay, so if you get a bearish signal from here, you can trade this one, because overall if we look at the pattern, you can see that we are into the downtrend. So the candle structure will itself tell you that where I want to go. Okay, so for example, now let's talk about USD CAD. So if we talk about USD CAD, we are into the upward trend because the market is simply into the upward side. Now you can see when the bearish dojis are coming, they are getting a rejection. Again, the price is moved up. Okay, now after this bearish doji, it is quite possible that again the price will make another higher high from that point. So now you should be looking for the support areas, but right now you can see that this is the 5-minute chart, but there is no support area at the moment. So wait for the support area so that you can trade it. Okay, so for example, if you ask me, should I trade that one? No, because it is into the downward trend. So I should be looking for a bearish harami pattern or the doji pattern from that area. So this is how you can successfully trade the market. So for example, this is the uptrend. So work on the bullish dojis. Okay, work on the bullish dojis. Okay, so even if you don't want to follow the doji pattern, no problem. You can use this indicator separately as well, support and resistance areas, and you can simply trade with the trend. So that's not that's not compulsory. Okay, now look at this pattern. Overall, we were into the downtrend. You can see bearish doji from the resistance area, it's down. Again, you will ignore that bearish harami because this is not at the resistance area. So be careful with this thing, because that's why I'm explaining you in this video. Again, the bearish pattern bearish doji was appeared. Now you can see price is down. Now it's at the support area, but we are not interested. We would like to sell that a currency pair on some particular resistance area instead of that support area, because we are into the downtrend. So guys, if you are following this advice carefully, then trust me, no one is going to stop you from making the profits from the forex, crypto and the stock market. This is the quite best technique and it really worth a lot of money. So don't worry about it, just practice it on your demo account, and with the passage of time you will be completely fine with your trading. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel and share the videos with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.